right opposite Hendon Central Station with a lovely split-level maisonette. Huge flat, 4 bedrooms. That's the first bedroom. Nice bright double, plenty of light. That's all double glazed and gas and preheated. Very good storage area in here. It's like a dryer. This is actually the next bedroom. Although there's a sofa here at the moment, it can be turned into a bedroom, and then we will provide bedroom furniture. That's the back of the property. Okay, here's the kitchen. So you've got a gas cooker, washing machine, big fridge freezer, and then even plenty of space for a table and chairs as well. And this is the rear entrance. It also features a additional shower room, so you have a bathroom and a separate shower room, and also a separate toilet. Okay, so we'll now go up to the second floor. See the rest of the flat. This is the living room. Huge space here. And very light 3 windows. Laminate flooring as well. The next bedroom. It's got a big wardrobe. Double bed, of course. This is the single bedroom. It's got a sofa bed at the moment, but that can be swapped for a small double bed possibly. And here is the second bathroom. Toilet, fully tiled. So really large flats, big as a house really, and very good value for money.